Geotechnical investigation services in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad are crucial for any construction project. These services involve the study of soil and rock properties on a site to determine the suitability for construction purposes. Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad is a rapidly developing area with increasing infrastructure projects, and it is essential to conduct geotechnical investigations to ensure the stability and safety of these structures. Geotechnical investigation services in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad include various tests and analysis to understand the soil and rock characteristics. These investigations involve the collection of soil samples and conducting laboratory tests to determine the engineering properties such as strength, permeability, and compressibility. This data is then used to design the foundations and structures that can withstand the anticipated loads. One of the key aspects of geotechnical investigation services in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad is the assessment of potential hazards such as landslides and earthquakes. By studying the geological conditions of the area, geotechnical engineers can identify any potential risks and recommend appropriate measures to mitigate them. This is especially important in areas prone to seismic activities or areas with soft soil that may be susceptible to landslides. SCON design is an integral part of geotechnical investigation services in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad. SCON refers to the design of retaining walls or slopes to prevent soil erosion and provide stability to the surrounding structures. The design process involves analyzing the soil properties, determining the loads acting on the structure, and selecting suitable materials for construction. SCON design plays a crucial role in ensuring the safety and longevity of infrastructure projects in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad. Any construction project needs geotechnical investigation services in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad. These services entail analyzing the soil and rock qualities on a site to ascertain its feasibility for building. In order to assure the stability and safety of these structures, geotechnical investigations must be carried out in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad, a region that is quickly developing and home to an increasing number of infrastructure projects. Various tests and analyses are part of the geotechnical investigation services offered in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad, to comprehend the features of the soil and rocks. In these investigations, soil samples are collected, and laboratory tests are run to ascertain the engineering characteristics including strength, permeability, and compressibility. The foundations and buildings that can resist the expected loads are then designed using this data. The evaluation of potential risks like landslides and earthquakes is one of the crucial components of geotechnical investigation services in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad. Geotechnical engineers can